welcome to our channel. Today I will be crocheting a scrunchie. Here are all my materials. The yarn I got from Walmart, and the hair tie I have is just from around the house, and I have a nice sizable hook that'll suit the yarn that I have. So the video that I'm following today is from a channel called Arndt. Her link will be in the description. Okay, and let's get started. Okay, so start off by making your slip knot, of course. So we will pull the yarn around the hair tie, single crochet all around the hair tie. Yep, just do it just like that all the way around until you reach the other side. Try to keep pushing the yarn closer together so you don't have big gaps in the hair tie. Just continue to do that all the way around while you continue to crochet. To the other side of the hair tie. So now, as you can see, I finished crocheting around the whole thing. When I finished the row, I did one more single crochet through both stitches at the top so that can connect your rows together. And the loop right there is where I left off, so that's where I'm going to continue on to my next row. So next you chain 2 and then double crochet into each stitch 3 times all the way around the hair tie till you reach the end of the row. And you just keep going just like that. So now we've made it all the way around. So just like we did for the last row, we're going to connect it to the stairs by running around a hook and going through the first stitch. After that, you can just tie it off right there, cut off your loose ends, and be done. Or, like I'm doing, you can do one final row of single crochet to make it look more neat, just like in the video. I am on the last few stitches of the scrunchie, and then just like the other rows that I did, I'm going to slip stitch through the top stitch to bring it all together. So now we cut the yarn and start to weave in all the loose strings to tie the knots to ensure that it stays together. Of course. Just like that, we are done. This didn't take that long at all. It's super cute, right? And so easy to make. Anyone could do this. This is super beginner friendly and I totally recommend trying this. It's so fun and relaxing to make. Well, thank you for tuning in and watching me crochet. time. Bye.